Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit your menu items in Shopify. Whether you're giving your store a fresh update, adding new product categories, or just tidying up your navigation, mastering this simple skill will make your shop easier for your customers to explore. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to confidently change your menus so your store looks and feels just the way you want. Let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Shopify admin page. This is the control center for your entire store. Think of it as the cockpit where you run everything from adding products to customizing the look and feel. If you're not sure how to get there, just log into Shopify like you normally would, and you'll see the admin dashboard. Take a moment here and make sure you're in the right store if you manage more than one. Next, look at the panel on the left side of your screen and click on Online Store. This is going to open up more options related to your storefront, the part your customers actually see. In the real world, this is like stepping into the front of your shop and deciding how the windows and shelves should be laid out. From here, click on Themes. Themes basically control the style and layout of your store, but we're going to dig a bit deeper and customize the navigation specifically. Click on Customize. This button is really your entry point into editing how your store looks and operates. It may take a few seconds to load, depending on your internet speed, so don't worry if it takes a moment. Now you'll see a preview of your store. At the top you'll spot the menu area. Usually this is your main navigation bar, right where your customers expect to find links to products, collections, and important pages like Contact Us or About. Click on the menu to select it. Doing this ensures we're editing the main menu, not any secondary or footer navigation by accident. On the right-hand panel, there's an option called Main Menu. Go ahead and click on that. If your theme labels menus differently, just look for the one that matches your main navigation. It should be pretty clear. Now the magic happens. Look for the Edit button and click that. This brings you into the real heart of menu editing, where you'll see all your current menu items, the links your customers use to get around. Underneath these, you'll find an option to add menu item. If you're adding something new, like a new collection or a seasonal promotion, simply type the name of the new menu item. Maybe you want to add something catchy like new arrivals or summer sale. Once you've named your menu item, you'll need to provide the link. Shopify makes this really straightforward. You can link to a product, a collection, a page, or even an external website if you want. Take a moment to double-check your link and make sure it points exactly where you want visitors to end up. If you're not sure, you can always preview the page in another tab before pasting the link. Finally, once you're happy with your changes, hit Save. This part is crucial. Nothing gets published until you save, and it's easy to miss if you get distracted. So before you close the tab, make sure you see that confirmation that your changes went live. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit your menu items in Shopify, making your store easier for customers to navigate. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want help with something else in Shopify. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've got plenty more tips to make your store shine. Thanks for watching and good luck with your shop.